How to get cool notes on Instagram. Let's get started. First up, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. To check that, you can launch your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch it. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find the message icon. Click on that. Now from here, you can easily update your note. You can see that I have already uploaded Golden Note. Now how can you do this? All you have to do is add a new note, then click on leave a new note. Now type in your note. In order to get your note in the gold color, what you have to do is you just have to include this word gold in your note and then share it. And with that, it's gonna appear in the gold color. So this way you can easily get gold notes on Instagram. If you don't include the word gold, it won't appear in the gold color. You can see that. So I hope now you guys are clear how to get gold notes on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.